Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Discord push to talk not working. Many users press the key, but their voice doesn't transmit. And it usually comes from keybind or audio settings problems. First, check push to talk is enabled. Go to user settings, greater than voice and video, and select push to talk instead of voice activity. Without this, the key won't work. Step 1, set a proper push to talk key. Choose a key that doesn't conflict with in-game controls. Mouse buttons or rarely used keys work best. Step 2, check keybind settings. Go to keybinds and confirm push to talk is listed and active. Delete duplicates if needed. Step 3, test microphone input. In voice and video, select the correct microphone device. Wrong input means no voice is sent. Step 4, run Discord as administrator. Admin mode ensures Discord can detect key presses while gaming. This is very important for Windows users. Step 5, disable overlay conflicts. Other overlays or recording apps may block push to talk. Turn off Xbox Game Bar or NVIDIA overlay to test. Step 6, reset voice settings. Click Reset Voice Settings at the bottom. This fixes misconfigured audio options. Step 7, update Discord and Windows audio drivers. Outdated software may cause push-to-talk failure. Keep everything updated. So yeah, fixing push-to-talk issues is about correct mode selection, keybind, setup, mic selection, admin mode, disabling conflicts, resetting voice settings, and updates. Follow these steps and push to talk should work properly. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped.